Hello guys, now we quickly go through the robot who is testing all the indicators for us. So we open Visual Studio here. So this is our bot. At first here we have the file name, my name, and here some information about where I get my inspiration from and how you can get this bot, download it from my Git repository, and if you need some indicators you don't find, you can also get indicators from my Git repository just by choosing the indicator name. So that is the header, the using, this is a standard namespace standard. So over here is the enum of indicator type. Here I define every indicator I want to be automatically tested and iterated over the time frames. And you see some indicators are already included in CTrader, but a lot of indicators I already developed and stored in my Git repository. So here we come to the class, and there is two lines in front of the class. What gives this class access rights. And over here we have the access rights none, and we need for debugging, if we want to set a point over here and stop the debugger over here to check the value of the KPO period, we need the full access rights. We need to give the full access rights, recompile, and then we are able to read the value when the debugger stopped at this KPO period. So then here we have some input parameters. Over here, at first we declare the source, what means the indicator can use this source, and so you can have an indicator on an indicator. Then we have, most important, our filter criteria, minimum trades per year. What is the filter? Default set to 100, but I think we can set this to 20. We should set this to 20 to get more, but to get more results in our CSV file. So also the next input is important, the min return on investment. We want to have in the CSV file only results what have a positive outcome. We want to filter out all the negative outcome where the indicators lose money and not make any returns. And then the third important field, the indicator type. In the indicator type, in this field, we have the list of all indicators we want to iterate over. So here we define how much indicators will iterate over the time frames we selected. So that is the important inputs. Then here for the baseline indicators, we have the parameters for the baseline indicators. We have for the confirmation indicators, we have the input parameters, and for all other, then here we have the private attributes. We give in a bot name, so when you have multiple open positions in one account, this bot will only handle positions according to his bot name. And then because this bot uses asynchronous multi-threading, we need a read-write lock. We need this lock so that every thread can write in the same file. If we not use this, we cannot write into the same or every thread cannot write into the same CSV file, and we will end up with no entries. Our file will be empty. Also over here we declare a variable for the file name. The file name gets stored in the default location, and here we have the txt string, and the txt string is our CSV data line. We use the lot size. We have a variable for the lot size here, and we always use the minimum lot size of the symbol, and we also have the capital. And then we have a variable for each indicator, and you see the darker green indicators, they are external indicators. That means I developed or I fixed them myself. I download them somewhere and make them usable, fix them to make them usable in this account here, in this robot here. And the other indicators, but this one, I don't know. This one may be internal indicators. I don't know exactly for what the colors are, but the Chaikin volatility, I know this is an internal indicator, and these indicators cannot be edited or fixed by any user. So that is this part. Then we come on start. Yeah, here on start, the first line is for launching the debugger. So when you use this line here, when you uncomment this line, comment this line, uncomment this line, then you also have to uncomment this line here, so the debugger can run. So, and here we're constructing the bot name from the type of the class. So the bot name is, this is the bot name. It will get here to string, and we will add to the bot name the symbol and the time frame where this bot is running on. So in this way we can exactly give the trade like a magic number in MetaTrader. So here we have the file name. This is the file name where we store our results. Here we get the capital. The capital is our account balance. We also get this, and then if we paint some objects on the chart, it will remove all objects. And also if you do backtesting, in backtesting this robot puts entry and exit points in the chart, and for the next run we have to remove all these points. We get the minimum lot size here from the symbol. We get the minimum lot size, and then we have a very big if construct. What instantiates the correct indicator, what gets chosen by the input field here in indicator type, by the indicator type field. So here's IndiType, and on IndiType here we check what IndiType is. If IndiType is selected, then for every run this indicator gets chosen, and the test will be done. The test over the five time frames where it's selected, the test will run. Yeah, that is the on start. Now we have on bar closed. Yeah, on bar closed we have the same we have a switch statement, and we have a case for every indicator in our enum construct. And we see here, we check if a bar is, the second last bar is below the simple moving average and the last closed bar is above the simple moving average. Then we have a long signal, we close all shorts and we open new longs. And for a short signal it is vice versa. Yeah, we already had that. Then open and close, and open and close when you backtest this bot. Here, over here, you can switch symbol. You can switch the points on the screen. You can switch on and off to see the entries and exit. And here we just do the market order. Yeah, the up triangle is for entry, in the color green is for longs, and here the down triangle in the color tomato red is for shorts. Yeah, so in this way you see in the chart exactly where the signal occurs, and on the next open you are in a trade. The same for the close. Over here, yeah, we first close the position, and also here we use a diamond in dark green for positions that get for buy position that get closed, and we also show a diamond, a dark red diamond for short positions would get closed. So then we come to our fitness function. Our fitness function is very important. We calculate some things. We calculate at first the Sharpe ratio over here. Calculate the Sharpe ratio to sort the results. And then we calculate the win rate. We calculate return on investment, and we get the symbol name. We get the time frame. And we get the indicator type name. This is the first three fields in our CSV file. And then here we construct the CSV line. We construct the CSV line. We print out the symbol name, actual time frame, indicator name, return on investment, profit factor, total trades, win rate, Sharpe ratio. And we use this to have all symbols in one file. And then we call write to file thread save, and so all threads can write to this file. Very interesting, very important function. So on stop, we just close every position. We close on stop, and we don't want to have any open positions after the backtest or optimization is finished to get confused with maybe other open positions we have already in the same symbol. And finally, the write to file thread save function. We acquire a lock. We need a lock. Then we try to write to the CSV file. Yeah, we write the line, we close the file, and finally we release the file lock so the next thread can write into it. Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's it. It's the robot so far. Once again, you can download it here, over here in my Git repository. You can download it and get it, and test your own symbol indicator and time frame combinations. And I wish you enjoyed this video and also got some inspiration. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.